Alright, so here's some synopsis of what activated during the test. So we got the ESP2100 that activated, this activated, this activated. Strangely, none of these radios activated, I don't think. This one did not activate for some reason. These 4 radios activated, it looked like. Oh, and this one went off for unrecognized message. Oh, this didn't activate? Oh, that's strange. Huh. Whatever. But yeah, that's the test. Okay, I was wrong. This one did activate for the test, and so did the Kobe. So, that's the first time that the little Kobe activated for the 1050 Hz tone after the required weekly test. But yeah, that is it. I think the test happened at like around 11:30, but we got it. And I'm going to have to miss VEF's test because I stood here recording trying to figure out what weather radios went off. Maybe next time I'll get VEF. But yeah, that is it.